no big bonuses, or at least not for everyone.
Yeah, not for everyone. We're really talking about the average employee pay here that's tied to Wall Street. And for months, as you know, it's been a huge question. How would the big banks reward workers and top executives as well after hauling in a windfall during the pandemic? And the answer is, as you indicated, kind of on the frugal side, if not even stingy, perhaps in the view of employees. Now, few banks disclose the figures that actually reveal how they compensate their Wall Street-oriented staff, but the numbers Bloomberg has obtained offer a pretty striking snapshot. JPMORGAN Chase, for example, saw its investment bank revenue per employee surge 22%, but the figure for payout per employee was up only 1%. Then at Goldman, the workforce brought in 15% more revenue per employee during the tumultuous 2020 years, but the firm spent an average of just about 2% on each person in comparison. So the very same banks that brought in the huge windfalls, again, also suffered some difficulty in other areas. So to be fair, the group boosted average pay per employee by about a mere $271. Rish?
So there's also the issue of heightened scrutiny under a new White House. How could that impact things for the banks?
Well, we already know that these banks, particularly those that had the banner revenue years, the Goldmans, the JPMorgan Chases, the Morgan Stanleys, they're bracing for tougher scrutiny from Washington. And we know that CITI already decided to cut bonuses for dozens of top executives after the bank was reprimanded last year by regulators. And then finally, there's the issue of optics, which analysts say just aren't good right now for banks to be paying out big money to anyone, particularly when banks are one of the industries that have done very well during the pandemic in comparison to other industries that have been brutalized, as well as certain parts of society. So that is a big issue going forward. We should point out the figures Bloomberg obtained do not pertain to the big rainmakers and rock stars on the trading desk who's expected got paid fairly well. Back to you.